So when it comes to these, you'd be quite amazed actually how many people don't realise that when BMW or Peter Berger, whoever designed it, this water pump, they handily put some nice threaded screw holes on. So imagine if it's in the car and it's like screwed on. Obviously this is the block here and that's the gasket. Pretty bloody difficult to get it out if you think about it. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 screw holes, you get them out, but how are you going to get it out if it's like flush there? So BMW decided best thing to do is let's put some threads in. And then basically, as it's in the car, you push that evenly each side, like this, and it'll just withdraw it out, like pull it out like that. Pretty bloody clever, isn't it, that? And it's a good job really, because without that you'd be an absolute world of pain really.
Yeah.